Hey, what's up guys? So after a long time, Poco has finally launched its own smartphone, Poco X3, instead of a rebranded Xiaomi device, and it has created a buzz in the mid-range phone market. Poco X3 is available for a price tag of Rs 17,000 for 6GB 64GB variant, 18,500 for 6GB 128GB variant, and Rs 20,000 for 8GB 128GB variant. And if you are planning to buy Poco X3, then you should definitely watch the full video as this may help you to make the right choice. In this video, we will do an in-depth review of Poco X3, we'll test out its gaming and camera performance, mention its pros and cons, and will finally suggest you whether you should buy Poco X3 or not. We have already uploaded Poco X3 speed test with other smartphones. You can watch the videos by clicking on the card on the top right corner. So first, let's check out what's good about Poco X3. This phone is running on Android 10 with latest MIUI 12, and I'm happy to see that Poco has finally got rid of Chinese bloatware apps. Poco X3 can handle daily tasks easily, there's no lag or slowdown, and since it has 6000 mAh battery, Poco X3 can easily last for 1.5 days with normal usage on single charge. It also supports fast charging and comes with a 33-watt charger out of the box and can charge from 0 to 62% in just 30 minutes and 100% in just 65 minutes, so that's really quick. Social media apps like Snapchat and Instagram works flawlessly, the filters load quickly, there isn't any lag or anything. And I have tried the 20 megapixel selfie camera and the results are quite impressive. Same goes with Instagram. Instagram works without any issue. The scrolling feels buttery smooth since it has a 120Hz refresh rate display. There's no frame drop or lag while scrolling through pages or while zooming into images. Design wise, the phone looks premium with single punch hole display and textured shiny finish back panel. The vertical band and the big Poco branding stands out and looks good. I like the design of the circular quad camera setup, but the phone is quite heavy at 225 grams and quite thick as well at 10.1 mm, which makes it the thickest phone I have ever reviewed on my channel. My unit is in the cobalt blue color and shadow grey is also available. At the bottom is the mic, Type-C USB port, headphone jack and speaker grill. The lock and the volume buttons are on the right side. You get the SIM tray and SD card slot on the left side. At the top is the infrared sensor and secondary mic. At the back is a quad camera setup with dual LED flash. On the front is a single punch hole selfie camera and earpiece. Poco X3 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset with an octa-core processor and Adreno 618 GPU. It comes with 6GB RAM with 64GB and 128GB storage, and there's a 8GB RAM option as well on the 128GB storage. Snapdragon 732G is a powerful mid-range processor for gaming. Games like Asphalt 9 run on high settings, there's no lag or frame drops. Same goes with PUBG. PUBG works on Ultra FPS on smooth mode. If you switch to HD mode, high FPS is supported, and even on balanced mode, you can play PUBG with Ultra FPS. So on smooth mode with Ultra FPS, the game runs smoothly and you can see there is no lag at all. The graphics look good, there is no stuttering or graphic loading issue of objects that are far away. It's the best mid-ranger gaming phone that you can buy currently, and you can consider it as the best phone under 20,000 for gaming. And since it has a 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate, the gaming experience is further enhanced. Other phone that can compete with Poco X3 in gaming performance is the Poco X2, and if you want to see my Poco X3 versus Poco X2 full comparison, you can watch it by clicking on the card on the top right corner. Now talking about the camera, Poco X3 has a quad camera setup, a 64 megapixel f1.9 aperture camera with face detection autofocus, a 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture macro camera, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture depth sensor. There are many features in the stock camera app like ultra wide angle mode, macro mode, portrait with depth intensity adjustment, night mode, pro mode, HDR, live filters, beauty mode and panorama. You can shoot 4K videos up to 30 fps and 960 fps super slow motion videos. You also get ultra steady video mode, long exposure and clone mode for photos. At the front is a 20 megapixel wide angle camera which can shoot up to 1080p resolution videos. You also get portrait mode, night mode, live filters and beauty mode in the front camera as well. So let's check out some camera samples. Poco X3 has a good camera setup, daytime pictures look good, colors are saturated, there are loads of details in the photos, and the ultra wide angle camera is also useful for capturing some good shots. Portrait photos are nice, there is no edge detection issue whether it's a portrait of a human being or an object. HDR in normal sunlight works fine, the details of the cloud and foreground are well maintained. Indoor shots in artificial lighting conditions are nice, the light doesn't get overexposed. The low light performance is impressive for a mid-ranger. The night mode in the Poco X3 can help you to capture some great shots even in the night. The selfie camera is a decent one. The photos have decent amount of details. For security, it comes with fingerprint scanner on the lock button, which is quite fast and secure. It also has face unlock, which is extremely fast, but security wise it's not that great. Poco X3 has a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with 1080 by 2400 resolution and 395 ppi density. The colors are saturated, the display is quite sharp and has a good contrast ratio. But I think the overall brightness of the screen and viewing angle could have been better. So that was all about Poco X3. Poco X3 is a great phone for its price, and looking at the performance and features, I feel that this phone is the best phone that you can buy at this price point, and it has a good battery backup as well, so this is a perfect phone for daily usage. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts about Poco X3. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.